If you're a salad lover, you need to try this mouth-watering corn-fed chicken salad recipe. First, grab some corn-fed chicken breast and season it with salt and pepper. Cook it in a hot pan with a splash of olive oil until golden brown and juicy. Set it aside to cool. Next, chop up some fresh lettuce, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and red onion. For extra crunch, throw in a handful of toasted almonds or sunflower seeds. Now, shred the cooled chicken and add it to your bowl of veggies. Time for the dressing. Mix together a tablespoon of olive oil, a squeeze of lemon juice, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Drizzle this over your salad and toss everything together until well coated, and there you have it. A delicious corn-fed chicken salad that's ready in no time, perfect for lunch or a light dinner. Enjoy! Be sure to like and subscribe for more quick recipes. Happy cooking!